And then I realized my brushes were all so dirty. I'm gonna go in with this what is this? This is the Farsali Quench Moisturizing Replenishing Serum. So I find that, sorry, my son is in the back with all his, and I have to have my window open because I cannot not have my window open. So my window is open. If you're hearing like some weird noise, my window is open, and my son is playing some sort of something on his iPad. So sorry guys, the palette that I'm using is the Natasha Denona palette. This one I got, I don't even know what this one is. This one is called Peak Tasha Denona Peak eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this hold on, shoots. I'm using this copper color, this burnt orange color right here in my as my first. Anyways, so it's a clean brush. I'm just gonna blend out. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, I'm looking this way because I'm looking into my, like, a bigger mirror, because I just want to make sure that I'm getting everything, and this one is a little bit closer. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna go in with a second layer. You know what I'm saying? There was absolutely nothing wrong with that. But I'm using the Inglot 94 gel liner, and you have to move fast with this product because shoots. If y'all know of a good brush that can cut crease really well, because I messed that brush up. I messed it up.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I'm gonna go in with some these are some pigment that I picked up from Jlarue. I have not purchased from her since last year because these products have lasted me to this day. So I'm using right now, this one is Lemonade, and this one is Dragonfruit. Beautiful, beautiful pigment if you're looking for something, you know, quite festive. So and I'm just gonna pat that on in there. So the foundation that I'm using is the Nars. You guys have seen this multiple times, me using this. Listen. I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I don't know. Okay. And the brush that I usually use to blend out my concealer is the, what do you call this brush again? Real Technique setting brush. So that's what I'm gonna use. That's what I use to blend out my concealer. So I go with my forehead and I just tap it in, like I just tap and I just kind of like tap in circular motion. Now I absolutely love this powder. It's the Fenty No Filter powder, and this is in honey. I love this powder so much. So much. I love it. I love this powder. I'm gonna go in with this powder. This is the MAC powder, and I'm gonna use this to set the rest of my face. And I'm gonna go in with this, and I'm just gonna press it in like that. So I wanted to share this with you. I went to Morphe and I picked up this GlamaBronzer face and body bronzer, and so it looks like this, cute and sleek, right? Oh Lord, you open it up and it has a huge ass mirror. I live for this. Okay, I live for it. Any palette that has mirror is good in my book. Obviously it comes with this protective sleeve, and this is the product. Ooh, this is the product right here. And it in, oops, strands of hair everywhere. I'm gonna fix my hair after, so I'm not really making it bother me right now. Yes, okay. I see your true colors shining through. Anyways, so also Juvia's Place blush palette. Y'all know how I absolutely love this palette. I'm gonna go in with Neo, even though it's a little bit red, but I'm also going to try and mix Zayn and Leo and see how that works for me. Santa baby, ooh baby. Going to set my face. So now that I've set my face, I'm gonna go in and I am going to put on my lashes, cute myself up, and I'm gonna come right back and y'all gonna see the finished look. Love you guys so much. Thank y'all for sticking here and watch me slay and chat. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video, drop me a comment, let me know what y'all think about the bronzer. Mwah.